On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don do better talk with Minister of Works and Housing to fit better federal roads dem for the country. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don do better talk with Nigeria Minister of Works and Housing Babatunde Raji Fashola when he come government house for Benin City. For the talk wey the minister follow Governor Obaseki talk, he talk say road work matter na everyday project. As he tok say the problem wey dey with Benin Auchi Road na how dem go take clear some part of the road before dem spend money take build am. As e be say na drainage na im be the wahala wey dem dey face, and dem no wan do the road make water make e come clear am come spoil am. E tok say federal government don already dey mobilize solution on top the Benin Warri Road and everything go better well as weather go improve.
How to drain that section before we spend money to build on it. That's the section being worked upon by the Mother Cat and Dantata and Sawo. Those are the really difficult points. The drainage problem there. We want to ensure that if we build the road, water doesn't come and wash it away again, so that if we fix it, it stays fixed. The Warri Benin Road, we have already mobilized some remedy there, and it will get better in the coming weeks and months as the weather improves.
Minister of Works and Housing come talk on top the permission wey Governor Godwin Obaseki be asked for to take work on top federal roads dem. E tok say the law and process dey wey dem go follow as e be say dis roads na federal roads dem. And no be say state no go fit ask for am, but e get the way wey dem go take follow am before dem approve this one. As e be say Nigeria President Muhammadu Buhari must sabi dis request, and he must to do meeting and many talk with the minister dem.
But between what the governor wants and what the federal government wants, all of these things have to be documented. There are processes, there are laws that we must comply with. By law, those roads are federal roads. By law, the state can ask for them, the federal government can grant them under certain conditions. The president, who is the custodian of those roads, must be informed that the state has asked for them. He must meet in council with his ministers to say, we want to give this to this state. There are states that are connected to that road, like Kogi, Delta states. We must hear from them too, because it is not a road that is only in Edo, is a road that links to other states. We must ensure that in doing all of those things, so those processes have to be followed. There is a distance between proposal, implementation, and the results we all clearly want to see.
E tok say na the work of the ministers dem and federal government to see say dem help every state government to fit achieve all the plan wey dem get to carry their state matter go the next level. And at this one, na im dem dey do for the cabinet wey dem dey.
Our responsibility as a federal government, as a federal Ministry of Works and Housing, is to help every state government to achieve its developmental objective. That's our mandate and that's our responsibility, and we will do no less.
Now here we see the information reach on top inside Edo today. As Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don do better talk with Minister of Works and Housing for the country, Babatunde Raji Fashola, on top how dem go take better federal road projects dem for the country. And at T Live Media, na im dey give una this ogbonge informate. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba pod for www.tlivemedia.com.